This is a video to demonstrate a project that I worked on a couple of months ago for my one of my university courses. It's called Web Technologies. So we're supposed to make a web app that requires HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Well, the HTML was inside PHP, so we went ahead and made this app called Explored. Me and one of my friends worked on this. So the key theme of this app is that people usually go to different places. They journey, they travel a lot, and sometimes we ask them, "Hey, how was your journey? What did you do?" We look at online, we see reviews, we go on YouTube and other social medias, and we see travel vlogs. We spend a lot of time to decide how will our journey should be like. Like, what should we do? Where should we go? Where should we stay? So the key theme of this app is that people will document their journey and upload it to this website. Of course, this is not hosted, but you get the point. People will upload their journey in detailed manner, and other people can go and look at their journey. What did they do? They can then put that journey in their wish list, and they can review it. They can comment on it. They can look at other people's review on that journey, and they can just basically copy it for themselves. They can also see details like what was the number of people, the cost per person, etc., etc. So this is the initial look of this. Now, nobody is logged in yet, so there's very little that you can see without being logged in. You can only see this. So I'll just go ahead and register. So as you can see, it tells me that this username is taken. So these are some little things that we worked on. What username? I'm making this video 4 months after I worked on this project. So hopefully, okay, this is available. So this is a nice confirm password. So intentionally did not match this password to let you know that there are validations both in the client side and the server side. So I'll go ahead and register. Passwords do not match. Wow. Okay. Okay, now they should match. All right. So now it says welcome Morsel and Zero for login to explore. So we'll log in with the same credentials. I think it was Morsel and Zero for and the password. Okay, we're in. Now, as you can see that immediately we have more options, right? Everything that there is. First, let's talk about explore. If I go to the explore option, it gives me all the logs of other people that they already uploaded. Like this person, another Marceline, he uploaded his his travel log, which is called Puran Dhaka. He went to Haji Biryani and he rated it 5 out of 5, and he said cost per person is 400 tak. That is nice. There are other. There we go. Weekend in Cox's Bazaar, Mermaid Hub, as you can see. There's another Purantaka. So this person file, he went to Beauty Lassi. It says it costs 180 taka per person, and he also went to Haji Biryani. It also costs 400 taka per person. And as you can see, there are two people commented on this. I'm planning to visit there next week, so let's put a comment on here. Can't wait to visit Purantaka. So there's my comment, Morsalim04. You can see the date. And I can actually delete my comment, but obviously I cannot edit other people's comments. I'll go ahead and delete it. Let's not delete it, okay? As you can see, I can add this to my wish list now. there is nothing in my wish list as of now, but let me add it to my wish list. So now you can see in my wish list, there's this thing, Puran Dhaka costing 580 taka per person, and it is created 4 out of 5 rating, so it's pretty good. And yeah, you got a small group of people should go there. Anything, and as you can see, I can remove it from my wish list. If I remove it, then my wish list will be empty. Now I can make my own log. So let's create a new log. Let's say botanical garden. Nice scenarios, tree, trees, and flowers. Journey tab, I'll just say small group to get started. Now this is not published because it is as if like I just started my journey, right? So if you go to the explore, there is nothing called um, botanical garden. So now I can go to my logs and I can add new sections in here like place name. Let's say something, right, like ABC, type restaurant. I can put on map link, so I just random map. I don't know. Let's say 20, and I'll rate it 4 out of 5. Now I can add this section, and I can comment on it, of course. Now I can view this on Google Map. As you can see, it'll take me to this map, and I can continue doing this. I can put on a detailed uh, uh, I can put on more details about my journey, and then I can actually publish it. Now, once I publish it, I can't really edit it because it's as if like my journey is over. So it's pointless for me to edit it, right? So yeah, nice, nice journey. There you go. So now if I go to the Explorer, see I can see Botanical Garden. I can sort by this and also oldest. I can also search Botanical Garden. See, and I can also search by people's name, I think. No, I can't do that. I actually forgot a lot of the things. And you have, yeah, that's basically explore, logs, and as you can see now it's published, so it'll show all of my logs. We can go to settings, we can change our password. So that's the user part of it, right? Now there are a couple of other things, which is like these are basically filler things. As you can see, this is my yeah. These are two of me and my friends who worked on this project. This is privacy policy, terms of service. These are basically filler things just for the. Now contact support. We can actually send this. People can send complaints, and these complaints will be sent to the admin, right? Go over the admin functionalities. So the admin has to log in basically, and the system will automatically find out whether an account credentials belong to a user or an admin. And of course, the passwords are hashed in the database, and there are all sorts of authentication, authorizations, and protection of the routes, so people cannot do weird stuff through Postman or other means. So this is the admin dashboard. We can see the total users, uh, total travel logs, total messages now. This is the users. We can see the user and we can basically ban the user if we wish to do. And you can see Onthor is having the current session. So and of course I'm that person who's admin. So Onthor is logged in. If some other user was logged in, he or she would be shown in here. But as I'm like showing everything in the local host. It'd be weird to. It's a little tough to show that. But anyway, here are the messages. Now you can see that people can actually post about the bugs and the bugs and comment about it if they want to. And we can also see the travel log, and we can view the travel log, but we can't really edit anything in here. In case if somebody did something offensive, posted something offensive, we can delete it from here, right? So that's kind of the admin dashboard, the admin functionalities. And this project was done using no framework, but we went ahead and made a custom framework with very little functionality, so it'd be easier to get things done quicker. And we also use Tailwind. That this is another reason why we could like really um, put on nice designs in a short amount of time. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's explored in a nutshell.